Albert Einstein, the genius physicist, once pondered the true nature of light. He questioned whether the speed of light truly exists or if it is merely a construct of our understanding. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, the speed of light in a vacuum is a fundamental constant, never changing regardless of the observer's velocity. This concept revolutionized our understanding of space and time. But is it possible that the speed of light is not absolute? Could there be hidden variables that affect its propagation? Einstein himself once proposed the idea of spooky action at a distance. He postulated that particles could become entangled, sharing a mysterious connection, and influencing one another instantaneously, faster than the speed of light. Quantum physicists have since observed entanglement in the lab, suggesting that Einstein's skepticism about the absolute nature of light's speed may hold some truth. Yet, the concept of the speed of light as a constant is the foundation of many scientific theories, including the famous equation, A = mc squared. It has successfully explained several phenomena in the universe. So, while the debate continues, the speed of light remains a cornerstone of theoretical physics, guiding our understanding of the cosmos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the wonders of science.